Okay, Star Wars Return of the Jedi on the Commodore 64. First you're doing that land speeder thing. No, that's not what they're called, right? Land speeders were the other things. I'm not the world best at Star Wars terminology. Those motorcycle kind of things. Oh, you can't have them on your tail, okay? You can push them to the side. And you're not supposed to go into the trees or into the Ewok traps. Go away. Oops. Ah. Not into the trees and not into the... You made it. And this is some kind of obstacle course. And at the end there's the... But let me get to that first. Ha! Go away. Ha! I hit the thing. I thought that would win me the level. Apparently not. Ah! That wins me the level. The Death Star is destroyed. Bonus. Wait, that's... You're just repeating... Wow. But I just destroyed the... Death Star. Why isn't the Empire defeated? Stop getting on my nerves. Nice. Whoops. Hehehe. I'm not very good at this game, but I'm just playing it for the first time in my defense. Oh. Worked so nicely last time I did it. I guess it's better for children who are able to pay attention to multiple things at once, unlike me. Because you're supposed to keep the bad guys off your tail and not crash into everything you come across. Oh, that's annoying. Hehehe. Somehow the Empire is much better at this than I am. There's C-3PO and R2-D2 and cheering Ewoks. Oh, this is new. Oops. How do they move sideways? How am I supposed to defend against that? They're very funny. Okay. This is new. Huh? Why did it just randomly... And why does that happen? And how do these things move? And how am I supposed to... Now I'm back to this. And I got destroyed. I always get destroyed for some reason. Okay, and now I'm back to this. This is confusing. Why can they shoot at me, but I can't shoot at them? I mean, I can shoot at them, it just does nothing. Ah. Oh, but then I can't crash into the wreck. That's just dumb. Can't crash into the wreck. Now what? Now I'm at the shield generator, but I already destroyed the Death Star. So, what does the shield generator matter? And why do I keep exploding? Now I'm back to this. Whoops. Stupid Empire. Well, I explode just as much as the Empire. We have a mutual explosion agreement. Whoops. Wow. You're so picky about where I fly. Anyway, that's Star Wars Return of the Jedi on the Commodore 64.